Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your alternator in a 2003 Toyota Highlander. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal to ensure safety. This prevents accidental shorts while working on electrical components. Next, you'll need to gather your tools, including a 13mm socket, a 10mm socket, and a serpentine belt tensioner tool. Make sure your Highlander is securely parked on a flat surface with the parking brake set. Now, let's get that old alternator out. Use your serpentine belt tool to release the tension on the drive belt, then carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the electrical connections at the back of the alternator. There's usually a main power wire and a smaller connector. Finally, unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the alternator in place on the engine. You might need to wiggle it free. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, while you're busy in the garage, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? It's perfect for listening to music or podcasts while you work. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. With the old alternator out, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new alternator into its bracket and hand-tighten the mounting bolts before fully securing them. Reconnect the main power wire and the smaller electrical connector to the back of the new unit, making sure they are snug. Finally, route the serpentine belt back onto all the pulleys, using your tensioner tool to create slack, then release it to apply tension.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.